Hi everyone, well, let's go to one more video in our Diecast channel. In this video I'm going to show you this National Lampoon's Family Truckster. This car was designed by George Barris and it was supposed to look ridiculous for that movie since it was meant to mock the American cars of the time. This car featured, among many other things, 8 headlights, instead of grille, a small opening here, a large opening here at the bottom, front bumper put all the way down. It really sort of reminds me of a truck. Perhaps that's the reason it's got the name Truckster. An extremely bad positioned gas cap on the hood. Never seen that before. A weird wooden theme in the on the sides, on the hood, and on the back, as well as 4 taillights. So the regular LTD would have only a couple of taillights like this. This one's got 4 taillights since they were sort of doubled. The luggage rack here on the roof is also modified to be extremely long. The original car would have only halfway, perhaps something like this. So this car, with those huge crown hubcaps and this huge crown badge here on the side, was meant to mock the American cars of the time. It was made in this color which they describe as metallic pea, and it's got all that weird wooden pattern, as we can see. This model is made by Greenlight Artisan. It's made in a 1:18 scale. It doesn't have any opening features but the gas cap itself, and it's a really well made car, right? It's got some very good detailing, just like those headlights that are very well made. I'm really curious about seeing when Greenlight launches station wagons. They're supposed to be launching in 1:64 scale. This is a 1:18. I expect to have these LTD wagons in 1:18 scale as well. The trim here, which is very well made, as well as windows, and the interior, in which we can see a regular LTD dashboard with horizontal speedometer, the automatic transmission, seats, front seat and the back seat, door panels, and the luggage compartment. Well, this is a pretty good car to have in a collection. The bottom itself, it's not so well done. Could be better, actually, but still a pretty nice 1/18 car to have. So let's just finish the video by closing here at front. Please don't forget to leave a like, share this video, and to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video. Holiday Road.